In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and create a system restore point on Windows 11 step by step. This is super helpful if you want to roll back your PC in case something goes wrong. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Create a Restore Point. Click on the top result. It will open the System Properties window. Now, under the Protection settings, you'll see your drives listed. Select the C drive and click on Configure. Then choose Turn on System Protection and adjust the disk space usage if needed. Click Apply, then OK. Now that System Restore is enabled, let's create a restore point. Back in the same System Properties window, click on Create. Give your restore point a name like It Next, then click Create again. Wait a few seconds and it will confirm the restore point has been created. That's it. Now your PC is protected. If anything breaks, you can easily roll back using that restore point. Remember to create a restore point before making major changes to your system. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech tip from IT Next. Drop your questions in the comments, I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.